How to secure your income. Imagine a safe with 2, 3 or more different locks. This safe is opened only when the corresponding keys are inserted into all the locks at the same time, and this keys would be held by different people, therefore one person wouldn't be able to open the safe with the shared money without consent of the others. A crypto wallet with multi-signature on Decimalchain is that very safe in which you can store either an income from some shared business or a joint family budget. You can easily create a multi-signature wallet in the Wallet tab. This wallet can have up to 16 owners. Each owner needs to set the weight of the vote and the threshold number on reaching which transactions can be made from the shared wallet. For instance, you have 3 founders. Each of them will be assigned a vote weight equal to 3, and the threshold value will be set to 6. This means that to make a transaction from a shared wallet, the signature of 2 founders is enough. These, or these. And then, when the threshold number 6 is reached, the transaction from the shared wallet will go to the blockchain. Multisign can also be used for additional protection to secure your wallet. Thus, you can store one key on your phone and the other on your laptop. Then, to send coins from your wallet, you will need to enter both of these keys. You can also use the multisign function to create agreements that require a guarantor. Assign each participant a vote weight of 2 and set the threshold value to 4. Then, party number 1 fulfills its terms of the contract and party number 2 fulfills its terms of the contract. In this case, the intervention of the guarantor is not required and the transaction is executed after reaching the threshold number 4. If one of the parties does not comply with the terms of the agreement, the guarantor signs the transaction with the second key and passes it to the honest party, and then transactions goes to the network. Use the multi-signature feature on Decimalchain and you will see that running a joint business or a common project is safe, easy and convenient.